But there was also a flood in our comment section na how can you just say that you could forgive and not look for justice?
Yeah.
I'm sure you got that also.
Yeah.
This will give all the criminals yung freedom na, we can do crime kasi pag Christian, they can just forgive.
This is where people have to understand how big God is. When God commands me to forgive because He gave us His word. Remember, the Bible says, be at peace with all men as much as possible. But then the next section talks about never take your own revenge. The Bible says, don't ever take your own revenge. Leave room for the vengeance of God. What does that mean? My job is to forgive. What is God's job? Vengeance is His. Then I can honestly be at peace.